Elmo's Animals. What's your favorite animal today? Tap it to open this app.
Oh, look who's here! It's you!
Welcome to Elmo's Animals.
Hi, I'm Chris from Sesame Street.
And I'm Claire.
And Elmo! Hello!
You'll meet all kinds of animal friends. Dogs, cats, lions, horses and bugs, birds, and more. Even big birds.
That's me!
Silly animals!
Act like an animal. Do you like to play pretend? Grover does. Today, Grover is going to move and groove like different animals. You can act like an animal too. Tap on one of the blue pictures. Kangaroo. Kangaroos like to hop and bounce. Boing, boing, boing. Get up and hop like a kangaroo. Hop! Horse. Gallop horses, go on. When horses run, it's called a gallop. Let's see you be a horsey. Get up and gallop. Penguin. When penguins walk, they waddle. Rock back and forth on your pretend web feet, just like a penguin. Fish. Swim. Swimming is tons of fun, especially when you're a fish. Pretend to swim. Flip your fins. Snake. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Snakes wiggle to get around. I wonder if it's easy to wiggle and slither like a snake. You try it. Yay, you earned a badge! That was fun! Act like an animal. Do you like to play pretend? Elmo's Bug Match. Elmo knows one kind of animal that is all around.
Hello, bugs!
You can find friendly insects everywhere you go.
Look at these pictures of ants.
Grasshopper. Bee. Ants. Caterpillar. Butterfly. Fly. Beetle. Inchworm.
Yay! Elmo loves bugs! Let's play with bugs!
Let's choose the game level you want to play.
Easy.
Look carefully at the pictures on the cards. Remember where you saw each picture before the cards turn over. Then, tap 2 cards that match. Ready?
You earned a match game badge. Tap the screen to go to the left. You earned a badge. Look at all the badges you can win. Elmo's Bug Match. Elmo, what makes that sound? Abby and Farmer Grover wonder what animal is making the sounds they hear. You can help. Ready? Tap the button with the ear to hear an animal sound. Then tap the animal that matches the sound. That's right, hooray! Frog. Tap the animal that matches the sound. That's right, hooray! Chick. Tap the animal that matches the sound. No, that's not it. Tap the button with the ear. That's right, hooray! Chicken. chicken. Tap the animal that matches the sound. That's right, hooray! Bird. You did it! You found all the animals. You earned a badge. What makes that sound? Draw a critter. Elmo likes to draw animals. All kinds of animals.
The letter D.
D is for ducks. Ducks diving, ducks driving, ducks with dolls, and ducks with dogs. At this duck pond, see all the things that start with D. Tap the play. Finish the activities to unlock this.
See the shapes at the top of the screen? Look for the matching object in the picture. Tap it in the picture. See the shapes at the top of the screen? Look for the matching object in the picture.
Drum. Duckling. A duckling is a baby duck. Dive. Dress. Dog. Doll. Daisy.
Yay! You did it!
Yay, you earned a badge! Look at all the badges.
Now, write the word
Doll.
or just the letter D. Use your finger. For more D words, tap the shooting star.
Barn party. There's a party on the farm and you're invited. So are these farm animals. Help them get to the barn. Tap the play button to start. Tap any farm animal. Move the horse through the maze to the barn. Use your finger. A party hat for the horse. Great job! Who did the horse invite to the party? His neighbor. Move the cow through the maze to the barn. Use your finger. A party horn for the cow. Hooray! Why is the party so noisy? Because all the cows have horns. Move the chick through the maze to the barn. Use your finger. A balloon for the chick. You did it! Why didn't the hen dance at the party? She was too chicken. Move the pig through the maze to the barn. Use your finger. Confetti for the pig. Hooray! What kind of party do piglets like best? Pig jama parties. Haha. You did it! Everyone made it to the party. earned the maze badge. Amazing! Tap the screen. Yay, you earned a badge!
Oh, no. Elmo wants to read a story with you.
Animals all around. Elmo loves his book about animals and their habitats. A habitat is a place where animals live and can find food, water, and a place to sleep. Now Elmo wants me to read it to him.
Let's read this book together.
Elmo's Animals. Tap a corner to turn the page. Animals at home. One of Elmo's favorite animals is one right in his own home. His pet fish, Dorothy. Which animal is your favorite pet at home, Elmo?
Dorothy.
Which animal is your favorite pet at home, Elmo?
Dorothy. She lives in a fishbowl.
Animal helpers. Did you know that animals help out humans in all kinds of ways? Tap one of the little pictures to find out more. Worker bees. Lots of animals work hard for us humans. Farm animals like horses, cows, and chickens, sled dogs, and even bees. They make honey. So tasty.
Look at these nice pictures.
Veterinarians. Animals help us humans, but they need us to take care of them too. Veterinarians are animal doctors. Vets care for all kinds of animals, on farms, in zoos, and in the wild. Plus pets too, of course.
Look at
To the rescue! Rescue dogs help people when there is an emergency, like a fire or an avalanche. That's a kind of landslide, but with snow. Dogs use their super sense of smell to find people that are hurt or lost. What's missing? Ernie thinks these baby animals would make very cute patterns. Moo, moo, oink, oink, ba. Tap the play button to start Ernie's pattern making game. No, that's not it. Yay! You found the missing animal. An owlet is a baby owl. Here's the mommy. Which baby animal is missing at the end of the row? Yay! You found the missing animal. A kitten is a baby cat. Here's the mommy. The colored outlines are another clue. Yay! You found the missing animal. A duckling is a baby duck. Here's the mommy. Which box has the same colors and animal shape that comes next in the pattern? Yay! You found the missing animal. A fawn is a baby deer. Here's the mommy. You finished the patterns. You found them all.
All right. Nice job.
Tap the screen. Yay, you earned a badge. What's missing? Ernie thinks
16,412, 16,413, 16,400. Oh, wonderful! You're here! I was counting to myself, waiting for you.
the count's number. The number 5. Spooky, spectacular. Number 5. 5 batty bats like to swoop and dive. And 5 animal friends are ready to meet at the costume party on Sesame Street. 5 friends dressed as animals want to join the fun. Move them one by one to the red doors. Count them as you go. Cute cat costume 1. Murray makes an amaze 2. Telly is a buzzy bee 3. Nice spider. 4. Prairie Dawn is 5. You counted 5 friends dressed as animals. You earned the number 5 badge. Yay, you earned a badge.
I love to count with you.
Now, let's see you write the number 5. Use your finger.
$16,412, $16,413, $16,400.
This issue is brought to you by the letter D.
D. Diddly diddly dee. Diddly diddly raggin'. 4 monsters are scared by a dragon. Diddly diddly og. A monster pets a dog. Diddly diddly all. A monster loves his doll. Diddly diddly ish. A monster eats a dish. Diddly diddly uck. A monster swims with a duck. Diddly diddly ants. Monsters do a dance. Diddly diddly E. Monsters all love D.